Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through my platform, watch my training videos, practice very well, and I'll try them out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. And of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital to a very big one. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. Okay, so guys, this had been an uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it got to this region, had a little pullback, went back up above that, and of course still had another pullback, and of course went back up, and of course it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It has gotten to this resistance zone, and of course guys, if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely we expect it to sell. But if it breaks out from there, then it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is very important. So we expect it to sell from there if it does not break out from there. Okay, but if it breaks out, it will continue with a buy trend. So let's take note of that. The next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Boom 500 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it has been selling since then. We got a red flag around there which signifies a downtrend, and of course the red arrow, and it has been selling since then. You can see just a single order from here, so till it got to this region, add a bull pullback, then we add another sell order again, and of course it is still selling. This is still selling at the moment. It might not be for long because it has gotten to a support zone already. If it does not break out from there, then it will go back into a buy signal, okay, into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it got to this region and it played around there for a while. However, this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below the support zone. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, so let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see the red flag and the red arrow, and of course it has been selling since then. It has gotten to a support zone. If it does not break out from there, it will go back into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. That is when it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, next asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It also started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it gave us a downtrend signal, which is the red flag around here, and it gave us a single sell order, and check it out, it has been selling since then. It has gotten to this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on a buy trend, but we need to wait for the necessary signal. However, right now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from there, that is when it will buy. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis very well, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.